Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Jira SSO with Azure AD, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Jira SSO with Azure AD, begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section in the left-hand menu. Select Enterprise Applications from the Azure Active Directory options. Click on New Application at the top of the page. Choose Create Your Own Application at the bottom of the drop-down. Enter a name for your application, such as Jira SSO. Select Integrate any other application you don't find in the gallery and click Create. Once the application is created, go to the Applications Overview page. Note the Application ID and Directory ID as you will need these later. Next, select Users and Groups from the left menu under the Application Settings. Click on Add User to assign users to the application. Choose the appropriate users or groups to be assigned, then click Assign. Now, navigate to the Single Sign-On section in the application's left menu. Select SAML as the single sign-on method. In the basic SAML configuration, click Edit. Fill in the identifier, entity ID, with the URL of your Jira instance. Set the reply URL, assertion consumer service URL, to the correct Jira endpoint. These URLs are often in the format of https://your-domain.atlassian.net followed by /login/saml/. You can also configure sign-on URL if you have a specific login URL for Jira. Next, scroll down to the User Attributes and Claims section. Make sure to configure the claims to match what Jira requires. Typically, the email claim should be set to the user's email address. Next, find the SAML Signing Certificate section. Download the certificate, Base64, to use in Jira's SSO setup. Now, log into your Jira instance as an admin. Navigate to the User Management section in Jira's administration area. Select SSO from the available options. Click on Add SAML Configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.